Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take out a bird's nest. So here's our bird's nest for all of you beginner fishermen. If you get your first bait cast and you get this, and it won't come out, you want to grab your knot after you click down this button right here, and just grab that knot and start pulling it out until you can pull the string out. But if you can't pull the string out yet, you just keep on doing this until you get all of your knots out. Then you're going to be able to pull all your line through until that bird's nest of your line is gone, like that. Then you're going to have to keep tension on your reel right here with your thumb and just reel in very carefully. And it should look like that. Perfect.